Good morning, guys. Thanks for tuning in. This is Shaggy's Elephant Garage. I'm Shaggy. Today we're running down Interstate 10, just west of Pensacola. Just east of Pensacola, Florida. We're heading out to help a buddy. One of the P.A.M.S group members, Robert Fuqua, has a friend, Miss Leigh, who's having an estate sale, and the estate sale is model related. They have, let's see what they have. They got boats, planes, automotive, armor, figures, paint, decals, just about anything model related is in the estate sale. Miss Leigh is, I think that the history is that she had a family member or dad or late husband or something had a bunch of model kits, and we're kind of going to help her dwindle down the stash. She's a really, really nice lady, and Robert's a really cool guy. And the P.A.M.S groups are going to go over there and help her set up and maybe raise some money for Miss Leigh. And we may bring home a few model kits in the process. So guys, stay tuned, and hopefully I can introduce you to Miss Leigh and Robert and a few guys in the group, and we'll see what happens. In the meantime, let me get back to the driving. Sorry guys, see you in a bit. Hey guys, here we are. We finally made it to the estate sale. Let me turn the camera around, and I'll show you all the festivities going on here. All the shenanigans that we got going on. Just a sec. Hey Bill, say hello.
Hi.
Say hello, Scrooge. Hey Robert.
Who is it?
This is for my YouTube channel.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I didn't know if it was somebody I should give the finger to.
Oh, no, don't do that. I mean, if you want to, but I don't know.
No.
Yeah. Show you guys what's going on here. We've got all kinds of stuff today. Really cool. Magazines and scale modeler and all kinds of little different figures and whatnot and planes. Oh, that's a cool kit.
Bob. I'll be back. I'm no worries.
Let's go over here and look at all these old scale modelers. These are cool. Some old scale modeler magazines. That's awesome. Combat aircraft. We got all kinds of stuff over here. Very, very cool kits. That is neat. An old Dale Earnhardt Intimidator truck. That's cool. Then of course you got all the paints over here. These are very cool. Miss Leigh, how much are these paints?
They should be marked.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that one's 50, but I'd like to take 44. That one's the same thing. I think there's one for 20.
Oh, okay.
They're varied.
Very cool. Very cool.
Yeah, there's one for 20.
Oh, there we go. Awesome.
50 and 40.
So I guess I
25,
should have looked before I asked, huh?
That's okay. 35 and
Yeah.
25.
Cool.
No, 50. Okay, so I'll work out something.
Yeah. Awesome. And what are these?
Spray paint are $1 a piece.
$1 a piece? Okay.
But you have to test them before you buy them.
Right. Absolutely. Yeah. Sure.
Because I don't know who's going
Right.
Cool.
I have this.
Scrooge, is all this yours, man?
No.
No.
No? Oh, this is all Bill's. Cool. Oh, it's an auto car. I love that, dude. You got quite the stack there, Bill.
I think all semis are gone. Between
Yeah. Oh, look at that snake bite. That's
I
neat.
like that.
Oh, wow. That old Riviera, that's neat. That's
Oh,
cool.
that's in the wrong pile.
Yeah, let's put over here in that pile. Cool, man.
And I still got more coming out, but they ain't coming out today.
I hear you.
I'm done.
Just a second, man. All right, let's step in the room here and see what's going on. Don't mind me, I'm just making a YouTube. Yeah, Yeah, guys, look at all these kids. This is insane. This is crazy. So many. Holy Grail kits in here. It's nuts. Looks like you got quite the stash there, bud. Oh yeah, for sure, for sure.
Decals, if you want them, are over there. You got a hunt.
Say hello, Pat.
Hey, man. Oh, man, you got that chaparral?
Yeah, I was
As a
looking
kid,
at
I
it.
love that car.
I'm like,
In real life,
the figure's already painted. It's like a pre-painted figure. It's pretty cool.
this is the era when it was a stock car.
Yeah, I like the KR, bro.
Original, yeah, that right there. That's cool. I remember that as a kid.
Yeah, pretty cool. We'll see how it goes. All right, Scrooge, let's see it, man.
I haven't bought them yet. I don't know if I got enough.
Oh, okay.
But it's the ones I want, not the.
These are cool. Say hello, Mike.
Hey, Shaq. I was going to try to strap it.
Yeah.
Strap build on it, but it's just too much.
Yeah, all right, guys, let's go look at some paint right quick. See what we got here. Model Masters. Pearl Orange. We got all kinds of different little paint cans here. Definitely gonna have to go home with some of this paint. It's gonna be cool. Wow, that's cool. Those are neat kids. Look at here. Awesome. Special edition Silverado. Remote control Dale Earnhardt truck. That's just too cool, man. Let's see what we got in here. All kinds of different airplane parts. Very cool stuff. What did we got here? What is this? Is that Edward stuff? Quick boost, exhaust, all kinds of Edward. Oh, sorry. Adhesive and photo etch. Very cool.
Should be the one that's
It's over here.
The original.
here, a real one. Time to go.
Cool, man.
I'll see you guys.
Pretty haul.
I'll see you guys end of September.
All right, cool, man. Yeah, ish. Take another video. Guys, look who I found. Pappy Tinker.
Hi, everybody.
We're here at the estate sale. Have you got your stash yet?
I got a nice little stash over there. It looks like about 7 so far, but that's all I could carry out.
I think I've got like maybe 6 or 7. I got a bat pod and a figure for the bat pod. That's got to be cool. So
there's some
yeah.
really cool kits in there, and catch you next time.
See ya.